What can you do to protect yourself and others when working with pesticides? Here are 3 steps you can take. Reference the pesticide label and safety data sheet, wear appropriate PPE, and sanitize and decontaminate yourself whenever you finish working with pesticides. By doing so, you can help keep yourself and others safe from exposure to pesticides. Review the pesticide label and safety data sheet, or SDS. Always read the pesticide label before working with or handling any pesticide. The pesticide label and SDS contain important information about the dangers that a pesticide presents and how to prevent yourself from being exposed. When reading a pesticide label or SDS, always look for signal words such as danger, warning, or caution, whether the pesticide is classified as restricted use, first aid and emergency directions, pesticide storage and application instructions, re-entry interval guidelines after application, and personal protective equipment or PPE requirements. Wear appropriate PPE. You must wear the appropriate personal protective equipment whenever you are working with pesticides. In the state of California, the minimum requirements for PPE are a long-sleeved shirt, long pants, closed-toed shoes, and eye protection. Some pesticides may require additional equipment such as a respirator or coveralls. Remember to read the pesticide label and SDS to make sure that you are wearing all of the PPE required for working with that pesticide. Sanitize and decontaminate yourself. Ensure you decontaminate yourself whenever you finish working with pesticides. Wash your hands with soap and water before eating, drinking, or using the restroom. Shower when you are done with work, and wash your work clothes separately from your regular clothing. Remember to leave your PPE at work. Do not bring it home with you. You should also keep separate shoes for work only and leave them outside of your house. This will ensure you avoid bringing any pesticide residue into the home with you and potentially contaminating your home or loved ones. In conclusion, remember to follow the instructions of the pesticide label and SDS, wear the correct PPE when working with pesticides, and decontaminate and sanitize yourself and your equipment whenever you finish working with pesticides. This is the best way to protect yourself and your loved ones from sickness due to pesticide exposure.